All right, so now we're on number 4, give your character a cute face. So what it wants us to do is to create a lips. I'm gonna get rid of my stroke there. I'm gonna take the ellipse tool, I'm gonna click and release. So it wants the width to be 210, by the height will be 120. There we are. So I need to change the color right now to a dark blue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that my fill box, that white one, is in front. And double click here. And it wants us to have 96 for red, 198 for green, and 208 for blue. All right. Now I got this guy in here like this. And then it wants us to take the bottom point right over here and drag up approximately 10 pixels. So what I can do, I'm going to get it a little bit closer. Go with my white arrow. I always need to click on it first, right? Can you see the other anchor points have white fill in them? And then I'm going to click, move it up, and move on around 10. Sometimes it's hard to do. So that looks like it's going to be pretty darn close. Then it wants us to offset the path. So we have our ellipse tool right here. So we're going to create the eyes. Okay, so using the ellipse tool, we're going to make, boom, for the eye. The width is going to be 30, and the height is going to be 38. I'm going to press OK. I got my eye there. Now it wants to offset the path. So how do I do that? I'm going to Object, Path, Offset Path. And it wants us to enter -4 in offset. And this guy over here will be 4 as well. And I'm going to push OK. So it should look something like that. So let's see here. Now we're going to subtract the bottom part using our pathfinders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here. Oh, let's try that again. So I have 2 independent shapes in here. I'm going to find my rectangle tool. And I'm going to make this one into a different color just so we can kind of see what's going on here. Move it over here. I want to have it right over, so it's like the in the center. And then we're going to get out our pathfinders. And what we want is the minus front. Oops, but you have to select everything. How about that, right? Minus front. So now we've got this cutie eye, and it wants to, let's see here, create a stroke for this one. Again, I need to go to my big stroke panel, and it wants it to be 3 of the same color. And you want the round cap. And we are going to use that same dark brown color that we did our outline with. So if I go over here, select that guy, and I can find my eyedropper around here somewhere. Making sure that it is, in fact, rounded. All right, so there we got one cutie eye. I need two cutie eyes, so I'm going to go Control C and V. And there you have it. In the next video, we'll do the mouth.